grab my colors. Okay, so today, guys, we're going to be taking some notes on another strategy to divide. So this is going to go under the same section as yesterday's strategy. What was yesterday's strategy? What was it? Division, yeah, but what was the strategy? What was it called? What was it called? Yeah, yesterday we used multiplication to divide. Today we are going to do something called repeated subtraction. Ruby, will you turn that off? I can't hear. Well, I think you guys probably can't hear. There we go. Alright, so go ahead. This is all part of division. We're not adding a number 5. So turn to page 10 when I started my division. And we did number 1 using multiplication to divide. And now, I'm on page 12. So next page, and go ahead, you can put number 2. Repeated subtraction. As I was grading your homework last night, I saw quite a few people who used this strategy, but you might not have known the name of it. Okay? So I call it repeated subtraction. Alright, so we're going to use our same example that we used yesterday, which was 170 divided by 15 equals. So step 1, you're going to rewrite the problem. So step 1. This one kind of looks like the algorithm that some of you know, but it's not. Pretty similar. So when we rewrite it, we put the divisor, which is the 15, knocking on the door, to the dividend, which is 170. So it looks like that. We always have the bigger number inside, and the smaller one knocks on the door. Okay, then step 2. Step 1 was pretty hard, wasn't it? Step 2. Step 2, decide what to subtract. Use group. Let's write that down, then I'll show you what that means. So it looks like this. So remember, we set it up with the divisor knocking on the door to the dividend, right? So then we're going to decide what to subtract. And we want to use groups. So, groups of 15. What is a good landmark number to multiply by? Andrew? 90. So, Andrew knows this fact really well. You know 6 15s going to 90. That's a good one. We could use it. I'm thinking of a landmark number that's easy to multiply by. Logan? 10. What's 15 times 10, everybody? You can just say it.
150.
Okay, so I know that's an easy one to subtract from because it's pretty close to 170, isn't it? So in parentheses, I'm going to put how many groups of 15. How many groups of 15 are in 150? Jacob?
10.
Yeah, 10. And that's step 2. Let's look at step 3 now. Alright, so step 3, subtract. So I'm going to rewrite divisor 15, knocking on the door to the dividend, 170. Then we said minus 150, and we put 10 in parentheses, right? 170 minus 150. Blake?
20.
20. That's easy to do in your head, right? Okay. We're ready for step 4. Step 4 is repeat. So, we had the divisor. What's our divisor? 15. Knocking on the door with our dividend, 170. Then we subtracted 150 and we said, oh, that was 10 groups of 15. We got 20. Now, I'm going to subtract another group of 15. How many 15s go into 20? Ruby? 1. In this case, I'm just subtracting one group of 15. So I'm putting my 1 in parentheses and then subtracting those. What's 20 minus 15? Max? 5. Can I fit any 15 in 5? No. Then I'm ready for step 5. Turn the page. Then don't turn the page. I have big handwriting, so I think a lot of teachers have big handwriting. Step 5. Alright, step 5, you ask yourself a question. Is there a remainder? Is there a remainder, guys?
Yes.
Okay, write yes. And also comma, what's our remainder? 5. So you could put remainder 5. Okay. Step 6. Step 6. Add up the parentheses and write your answer. So if I flip back, to step 4, here's your parentheses. So I'm going to add them with 10 plus 1, 11. So my answer is 11. What's my remainder? You can just say it.
5.
11 remainder 5. You can't say, oh, wake up computer. Alright, so my answer is 11 remainder 5. What's step 7? Circle your answer. You don't have to write that, but you can circle your answer. Hold on.
That was the hardest step